Have you ever imagined flying above ancient wonders, majestic mountains, and vibrant modern skylines, all in one breathtaking journey? Today, we invite you to soar through one of the world's most culturally rich and visually stunning countries, China. From the legendary Great Wall to the tranquil waters of West Lake, our drone will take you on an unforgettable aerial tour of China's most iconic treasures. Let's discover the beauty, history, and grandeur of this incredible land, all from a drone's eye view. We begin our journey at one of the most iconic landmarks in human history, the Great Wall of China. Built over 2,000 years, this colossal structure stretches more than 13,000 miles, winding through rugged mountains and lush valleys. From above, you can truly appreciate the sheer scale and architectural genius of this ancient marvel. It's not just a wall, it's a symbol of resilience and ingenuity, standing tall for millennia. Next, we venture into the heart of ancient China, the Forbidden City in Beijing. Once the exclusive domain of emperors and their royal court, this sprawling palace complex is a testament to the grandeur of the Ming and Qing dynasties. From above, the symmetrical architecture, golden rooftops, and vast courtyards reveal a world steeped in tradition and power. It's a city within a city, a place where history breathes through every brick and tile. Our next destination seems almost unreal, like stepping into a fantasy world. Welcome to Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its towering sandstone pillars, which inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. As we hover above these colossal natural structures, it feels like we've entered a realm where the earth itself reaches for the heavens. Breathtaking and surreal, this landscape reminds us of nature's boundless creativity. From ancient wonders to futuristic skylines, our next stop is the bustling city of Shanghai. The Bund showcases a blend of European colonial architecture and cutting-edge modernity, beautifully capturing China's evolution. By day, it's a bustling waterfront. By night, it transforms into a dazzling corridor of lights. From above, the shimmering Huangpu River and the iconic Oriental Pearl Tower dominate the skyline, symbolizing a city constantly on the move. After the urban energy of Shanghai, we retreat to the tranquil beauty of West Lake. This picturesque lake, surrounded by temples, pagodas, and gardens, has inspired poets and painters for centuries. Flying over the tranquil waters, the elegant Lifeng Pagoda rises gracefully, mirrored in the lake's still surface. It's a place where time seems to slow down, inviting you to pause and breathe in the poetic charm of ancient China. Our journey would be incomplete without a visit to the Terracotta Army in Xi'an. Buried for over 2 millennia, these life-sized warriors were crafted to protect China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, in the afterlife. From above, the vast excavation site looks almost like a military formation, frozen in time. These silent guardians remind us of the power, artistry, and mystery of this ancient land. China's vast and varied landscapes reflect a tapestry of history, culture, and innovation. From the Great Wall's ancient stones to Shanghai's neon glow, this journey has shown us that China is more than just a place. It's a living story of human achievement. Thank you for joining us on this epic drone tour of China's top tourist destinations. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breathtaking travel experiences. Let us know in the comments, which destination would you visit first?